Hello there everyone and welcome. This is Melissa from the Stock Swoosh. I'm watching UNH. So this is a prickly pear here today because I knew it was going to be tricky. There's a lot of reasons this is tricky to trade. It's spready. It's not cheap if you do the options. It's not cheap if you do the day trade either actually, but this is one that, well, we're almost into close. I mean, we have like 30 some minutes left. So I don't know what exact price point this is going to close today. It's trying to close red. But again, I knew this was not going to be easy today. And the reason is because a lot of people like to play gaps as gap fills. I do not do that. Why don't I do that? It doesn't work. You can say, well, sometimes it works. Yeah, sometimes anything works. Sometimes you can do the stupidest thing in the world and it works. So that doesn't mean you should be doing it. So I knew people, though, were going to go long this for a gap fill today. So I knew this was going to be tricky. That wasn't the way to play it. This is a short. And depending on what you did with this today, how you did it, again, if you did the puts, what strike, whatever, depends on where you're at with it. But we'll see here where this is into 4. We'll see here where this is tomorrow morning. But I do like this lower. I knew it was going to be tricky today. I said it before the market even opened. So again, this has been one that sometimes we've done, it's been super duper easy. Sometimes we've done it and it's been tricky. And what do I mean by tricky? Doesn't go right away, takes too long, sets up, stops you out, then you have to retake it to make money in it. So that's what I mean by tricky. And in the morning, this was a lot spreadier than this is right now. This morning it was spreadier. This isn't anything here really, this spread. But I knew it was going to be tricky today because I knew there were going to be people that want to buy this. But I have a lot of conviction this is lower. We're gonna see if I'm right. We're gonna really see if I'm right here because it's going to be an awesome trade actually, if it goes in my favor with the strikes I called and what I paid for them and the dates. So it'll be really, really interesting. This could, even though this didn't do what I wanted it to today, and is not going to by 4, this could still be an awesome trade for me. So we'll see. We'll see. And I like the way this is acting right now. But again, this morning, let's just go over what it did this morning. Actually, let's just blow it up. So again, stock closed here, gap down, fell off a cliff, and people bought it. And they bought it. People love to go long this again in gap fills. I don't play that. It does not consistently work as a way to make money. But anyways, this pushed up, dropped, pushed up again, pushed up again, pushed up again. Actually, never got anywhere near 275. But, you know, I really wanted it to hold 272. Well, 270, 272. Again, support and resistance are areas. This went over 272, though. Went almost up to 273. And sidelined for a while. Tried to drop. Sidelined for a while. Tried to drop. Is trying to drop right now. Did drop here into 3 o'clock. But long story short, this could drop into the close. But I'm really watching this for tomorrow to see tomorrow if this is going to fall, if it's going to gap down tomorrow, if it does where, in fact, let's look at the market. We're going to see. We're going to see. So sometimes you do trades that you know could be challenging and you do them. You do them anyways because it's about risk to reward. If you get a good gap, if the gap rate's good, if the target is big, you do it. It's about risk to reward, and that's really how I play this. So we'll see how it plays out for me. I'm in it to win it. If you're interested in the Golden Gap class, the next class is August 9th and 10th. Email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com if you want to sign up.